Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at James and Olivia, an online fashion boutique claiming to offer stylish threads for both men and women. They've got everything from blouses and coordinated sets to orthopedic footwear, because nothing screams high fashion like a sturdy arch support. But before you start filling your cart, let's see if this site is actually legit or just a digital mirage. We started by checking their domain registration, and it turns out the site was only registered in August 2024. It's so new it practically still has the umbilical cord attached, which is usually the first sign that you're looking at a site with absolutely no track record. Our investigation didn't stop at the birth certificate. We did a reverse image search on their product photos, and what a surprise, most of them were lifted directly from other websites. Apparently, taking original photos is far too much effort when you can just copy-paste your way to a fake storefront. If you're looking for their social media presence, don't hold your breath. There is no Facebook, no Instagram, and zero signs of human life anywhere on the web. In an era where even your local plumber has a TikTok, a ghost town online store is a massive red flag that's hard to ignore. It gets even weirder when you look at the founders. The images of James and Olivia themselves appear to be AI-generated. Nothing builds consumer confidence quite like being sold clothes by people who only exist in a computer's imagination. While their website features glowing reviews that look like they were polished by a professional PR team, the real world tells a different story. Trustpilot has absolutely zero customer feedback, and with no real people sharing their experiences, it's not hard to guess what's happening behind the scenes. With stolen images, fake founders, and no history, shopping here is a high-stakes gamble. Proceed with extreme caution, subscribe for more reality checks, and I'll catch you next time.